Good morning, class 8. Today we are going to do chapter number 3, squares and square roots, exercise 3.4. Okay, so question number 7, here it says we have to find the smallest 4-digit number which is a perfect square. Okay, so first of all, again you will do by division method. We will find what is the square number that is less than 1000. Okay, so after solving it, 3 3s are 9. After dividing in 2 bars, then 3 3s are 9, 100. Now double of 3 is 6. Then we have to take a number that will multiply over here and we'll get less than 100 or 100. So 61 ones are 61. So we have got 39. Now here 39 is left. So either we can subtract 39 or we can add something. So if we will subtract 39 from this number, it will become a 3-digit number, but we need a 4-digit number. That's why we cannot subtract anything. So now after this 31 square, after 31 square, what will be there? Then there will be 32 square. So 32 square is 1024. So now we have got a 4-digit number that is more than 1000. And it is a 4-digit number and it is a perfect square. So we'll subtract it. 1024 minus 1000, that is equals to 24. So 24 is a number that will be added to 1000 to make it a perfect square. Okay, so smallest 4-digit number that is a perfect square is 1024. Now in question number 9, AB is given, BC is given. We have to find AC and it is a right angle triangle. So whenever there is a right angle triangle, we apply Pythagoras theorem. Now what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay, so we don't know the hypotenuse, so we'll write AC square. Then AB square is 14, so we'll write 14 square plus 48 square. Okay, so 14 square is 196 and 48 square is 2304. After adding, we have got 2500. Then we'll find the square root of 2500. You know 25 is the square of 5. And 00 means single zero we have to put. So AC is equals to 50 centimeter. Now comes question number 10. Here it is asked how many more plants will be required in 1400 so that the number of columns and number of rows will be equal. Again you find the square root of 1400. So we have done 3 3s are 9. Then we are left with 500. Double of 3 is 6. 67. 7s are 469. Okay, when we will subtract, we have got 31. Now 31 is left here, but we need how many more plants we require. So we will take after this 37 square, there will be 38 square. This question is just similar to the 7th question. Here also we will just take after this after 37 comes 38. So that will give you 1444. Now 1444 minus 1400, that is equals to 44 plants. So how many more plants we require so that to make number of columns and number of rows equal? So that will be 44 plants. Okay, now comes question number 13. This is the last question from this chapter. So here length of the ladder is given 6 meter. Okay, height of the wall is given 4.8 meter and length of the ladder is given. We have to find the distance between the ladder and the wall. Okay, so that means we have to find the base. Perpendicular is given and hypotenuse is given. Okay, so now let BC be the distance between the wall and the ladder. Then again applying Pythagoras theorem, we know AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square. Okay, solve it out. So we have got the value here, 6 square is equals to 4.8 square plus BC square. Now we'll leave BC square here. This will move to this side, so it will be subtracted. So 6 square minus 4.8 square. Okay, now 6 6 are 36 minus 23.04, that will give you 12.96. After this, we have to find the square root of 12.96. Again, we have to apply by division method. We can do 3 3s are 9. 10, 11, 12, 3 is left. Now 96 will be copied, but here point is there, so this point will move over here also. Double of 3 is 6. 66, 6 are 396. So we have got 3.6. So BC, the distance between the ladder and the foot of the wall is 3.6 meter. Okay class, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.